Hello guys, this is Hotpoint Hooverman05 talking. Today is a short clip of me testing the, the WMA 9. I had failed to change it into a WMA 56. I tried all sorts of ways to try and get it into a WMA 56 and none of them were working, none of my ideas. So I had to change it back. But then what I didn't realise was until I had already changed it all back to WMA 9, I realised then the motor was knackered somehow. So I might have damaged it by mistake and not realised. So anyway, I changed I swapped the motor over and yeah, I managed to get it working again. Managed to get the drum turning and that, because it wasn't turning anymore. It was filling the water with everything, but it just wouldn't turn. So it would just drain the water straight away after it attempted to get the motor to turn the drum. But anyway, here's the short clip of the motor replacement test. Oh shit! What was that? I may have to turn that off. I've got the plug in my hand ready, because I don't know if that's gonna kick off or anything. I'm sorry for the bad language, by the way. I got a shock. There's no funny smells coming or anything, so I don't know. Maybe that's a good sign. I'm not sure. Just making sure nothing's heating up, like in the control board. No, just check that. Right. No, stone cold. It's fine. Well, that's just me saying that, but yeah, I'm going to stick very close to the plug in case I need to pull the power from the main side. If it starts to get smoky as well, I'll have to turn it off definitely. Right, I'm getting ready to unplug it in case anything goes down wrong. Right. I've got the pan and the plug ready. Could have just been rubbing against like the rubber door seal, I'm not sure. But oh my god, that noise caught me off guard big time. Right, okay. Alright. Okay, it's fine. Thank Jesus for that. I've just got the other machine here doing a quick wash on the cloth. The filthy old cloth I found over at the front of the garage. And the thing's just gone off to prevent the phone overheating. Right. Okay. Right, there we go. Okay. I'm just making sure there's no funny smells or nothing like that. Nah, it's all good. It's all good. Thank God. Got 1 minute remaining. Alright guys, that concludes the clip I wanted to show you all. It was quite a scary noise. That did frighten me quite a bit. But all turned out well. Anyway. Hopefully I shouldn't have to be swapping any more motors around for a while. Hopefully not. But it is what it is, I guess. But yeah, if you enjoyed this, please leave a like, subscribe. This is Hotpoint, Hooverman 05. I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, take care.